Good afternoon, my dear student. This is a computer class for class 8 and it is a day number 13 and lecture number 13 for you. Student, today we are starting our new chapter, lesson number 2, that is MS Access queries, forms and reports. Okay, but before move forward to these topics, we will take the short intro to the MS Access, that what is MS Access. So what is MS Access? MS Access is the database package within the Microsoft Office. I'm repeating, MS Access is the database package within the Microsoft Office. Student, it is the most popular RDBMS that comes as a part of the Microsoft Office. Okay, now what is RDBMS? It is the type of database. Database means RDMS is a type of database and the full form of RDBMS is relational database management system. Okay, system. What is the full form of RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. Understood? And in RDBMS, data is organized in the form of rows and column similar to a table. I'm repeating, in RDBMS, data is organized in the form of rows and columns similar to a table. And what is table? You already know that table is a collection of rows and columns. Okay. Access provides a graphical user interface for managing data. Student, access are composed of 4 main objects in database. What are 4 objects? First is table. Second is queries. Third is forms. And fourth is what? Reports. These 4 objects are: first is table, second is queries, third is forms, fourth is reports, are provided by MS Excel. We will discuss all these 4 objects later. Okay. Now features of Microsoft Access. Okay. What are the features? But before understanding the features, student, I want to tell you that MS Access is a type of database software that is used to store information with MS Access. Okay, you can analyze large amounts of data faster and more efficiently. Okay, now let us discuss some features of Microsoft Access. Okay, what are the features of Microsoft Access? First is allows allows to create allows to create framework. Okay, framework allows to create framework. Second is allows allows opening the allows opening allows opening the table allows opening the tables allows opening the table. Third is easy way easy way easy way to insert and modify and modify. Okay, easy way to insert and modify. Fourth is capability 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 to combine capability to combine data. Okay, last is user friendly user friendly interface interface. Okay, interface. What are the features? Allows to create framework. Second is allows opening tables. Third is easy way to insert and modify. Fourth is capability to combine data. Fifth is user friendly interface. Let us discuss one by one. First is allow to create framework. Okay, it allows us to create the frameworks like forms and table for storing information in database. For example, you have a set of books and copies of your class 8th. Now you want a bag to put all these copies and books safe. In the same way, Access provide us the forms and table to store the information. Okay. Second, allows opening the table. Access allows opening the tables and scrolling through the records contained within it. Understood? Third is easy way to insert and modify. Easy way to insert and modify. Microsoft Access provide us a quick and easy way to modify and insert record into your database. And what are records? A record is the collection of the related field in database. You already know. I am repeating, a record is the collection of the related field in database. Okay, what is next feature? Capability to combine data. Okay, Access queries provide the capability to combine data from multiple tables and place specific condition of the data. What is specific condition? See, I'm giving you one example. Suppose that you have a table name student, okay? Table name student, and these fields like ID, name, city, phone number. ID number 1 has name XY, XXZ, city Lucknow, and phone number like this, okay? ID number 2, name like this, city Lucknow, and phone number, you can insert any number, and 3 is like this, okay? Now you want to see the records of all those students who are living in the city Lucknow. Then MS Access provide you the facility to see the records of those students that is living in the city Lucknow with the help of some queries, okay? Last is user-friendly interface. Access provides a user-friendly forms interface that allows users to enter information in a graphical form and have that information transparently passed to data. So this is the lesson for today. Now it is a time to note down your homework. Note down your homework. What is your homework? Learn the following. Learn the following questions. Okay. Learn the following questions. What is these questions? Question number 1. What is the full form of RDBMS? RDBMS. What is the full form of RDBMS? And second question is, what is record? Okay, these two questions. What is learn the following questions? First is what is the full form of RDBMS, and second is what is record. Tomorrow we will discuss, or we will learn our next topic from lesson number 2. Till now, stay home, stay safe. God bless you.